Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the new 2023 Ducati Diavel V4 first look. So make sure to watch the full video. The Diavel gains the V4 Granturismo engine. Ducati announced a brand new Diavel V4, replacing the previous 1,262cc V-twin model with one powered by its 1,158cc V4 Granturismo engine. The Diavel is the latest Ducati model to go from 2 to 4 cylinders, leaving the ex-Diavel and Scrambler 1100 is the only two Ducati models larger than 1000cc to remain with a twin. It now seems likely we'll see an ex-Diavel V4 for 2024, while we should get some idea of the future of the Scrambler family on November 7. On the new Diavel, the V4 Granturismo engine, which debuted on the Multistrada V4, claims a peak output of 168 horsepower at 10,750 revolutions per minute, an upgrade over the 162 horsepower at 9,500 revolutions per minute claimed by the Euro-spec Diavel 1260, and an even bigger improvement on the claimed 157 horsepower at 9,250 revolutions per minute on US models. Peak torque, however, sees a 2 pound-feet decreased to a claimed 93 pound-feet at 7,500 revolutions per minute. Fuel economy also takes a hit, with the Diavel V4 chugging the claimed 36.8 miles per gallon compared to the Diavel 1260's claimed 42.8 miles per gallon. An extended deactivation system, which shuts off the rear cylinder bank at a stop or at low engine speeds, does help. A larger 5.3-gallon fuel tank actually increases the range to an estimated 195 miles between fill-ups. Impressively, valve check intervals for the Diavel V4 are every 36,000 miles, or twice as long as the Diavel 1260, thanks to being the first modern Ducati engine with valve springs instead of Desmo-actuated valves. Of course, the engine isn't the only thing that has changed. The Diavel V4 received a style makeover while still retaining some key design elements, like the forward concentration of masses, the large air scoops, pointed tail, and 240/45 rear tire. The lighting system is all LED, with a new double C-shaped daytime running light surrounding the main headlight. In some markets where it is legal, the DRL changes shape, with different segments lighting up separately. The overall headlight design is an evolution of previous lights, and intriguingly, Ducati says the double C design will be a stylistic feature of all of its upcoming naked models, so we can expect it will be present on future Monster and Street Fighter models. The taillight also adopts a similar double C motif, except it is formed from a cluster of multiple LEDs that can illuminate sequentially, while also further alienating the trypophobic. The forward turn signals are integrated into the handlebars ahead of the brake and clutch reservoirs, in markets where they are allowed. The turn signals are dynamic, lighting up in the direction of the signal. Instead of a tubular steel trellis frame, the Diavel V4 employs a lightweight aluminum monocoque frame fixed to the cylinder head. The rear subframe, however, still uses the traditional trellis, and the swing arm remains a single-sided cast aluminum unit. Ducati says the new engine and chassis contribute to an overall weight savings of 28.7 pounds, with the Diavel V4 coming in with a claimed curb weight of 520 pounds. The Diavel V4 has a slightly shorter wheelbase than the 1260 at 62.7 inches, while the rake and trail are now 26 degrees and 4.4 inches compared to the previous 27 degrees and 4.7 inches. The seat is 31.1 inches from the ground, which is 0.4 inches taller than the Diavel 1260 and wider than the previous design, providing added support when accelerating. The handlebars are wide and raised, and are now positioned 0.8 inches further back compared to the previous Diavel. Passengers are accommodated with retractable footrests and a telescopic rear grab bar. The suspension is comprised of a 50 mm inverted fork with compression and preload adjustment on the left tube and rebound adjustment on the right, plus a fully adjustable monoshock with piggyback reservoir. The suspension is similar to the Diavel 1260, with 4.7 inches of travel up front, though the rear now offers 5.7 inches of travel, an extra 0.6 inches than the previous model. Oddly, Ducati did not announce a Diavel V4S model with Öhlins suspension like it did with the 1260. We suspect an S model will join the lineup next year. The front brakes consists of dual Brembo, Stylema 4-piston monoblock calipers, and 330 mm discs, with a PR1619 radial brake master cylinder with an integrated aluminum reservoir, while the rear uses a 2-piston caliper and 265 mm disc. The 5-spoke alloy cast wheels come shod in Pirelli Diablo Rosso 3 tires. The Diavel V4 offers 3 power modes and 4 ride modes: Sport, Touring, Urban, and a new wet mode. The ride modes adopt different settings for the power delivery: lean-sensitive traction control, cornering ABS, and wheelie control. Cruise control, launch control, and an up and down quick shift all come standard. The electronics are managed with a new 5 TFT dashboard that also offers Bluetooth connectivity. Turn-by-turn navigation is available as an accessory. The 2023 Ducati Diavel V4 will be offered in 2 colors: Ducati Red and Thrilling Black. Expected to arrive in US showrooms in February, with pricing starting at $30,795. What do you think about the new Ducati Diavel V4? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.